Alright, so this video is for someone who likes me that upgraded my phone slowly. Now it's what, Galaxy S20, and there's a bunch of versions. So like just like me, I'm just upgraded from my S6, S7 to S9. I just jump up a little bit because it's a little more pricey, and it's a little bit different. But why not go to S9? So anyways, this video is for that. And so the phone, you need some protection for that. So I've been looking for like a phone case and stuff like that, and some phone case will come with a holster, for your belts and stuff like that. But for me, I'm just looking for something light and feel light and feel thinner enough, but has a better protection. And I had one that I use on my S7. It's the Tech 21 also brand. So I like it. It's very light. It's very very easy to hold. It's not slippery. It's very feels very good on your hand. So, and now that I get a new phone, Samsung Galaxy S9, I'm looking for something similar, and it's hard to find Tech 21 that is cheap on Amazon. I can find one for like $20 something, but this one I found one for $5, maybe $6, and I was like, yep, I'm gonna get that. And the same brand actually will cost a lot more with other companies. So I have no idea why, but I may look for a while and then find this. And then I like it because it's thin. I haven't used it yet, but I feel like it's the same kind of design, same kind of science that they put behind it. So today we're gonna unbox this phone case and see what's inside. So it's it's a Tech 21, and that's the trademark symbol. It's pretty cool, and I like it. And it's a Flex Shocks Impact Protection, 3.6 meter or 12 feet drop protection. So it's got 3 layer, which is cool. It's the model or the series is Evo Tactical, which has a little kind of tactical design here. Very cool. It's you can see it's kind of gripable. The pattern is designed to make a good grip to your phone in your hand. It's so yep, like ultra thin, lightweight, and this one designed specifically for Samsung Galaxy S9, and they design for everything, for all kind of phones. So I like it. I usually like it a lot. And so here's a drop protection explained and how they do that. So you can read that on their description when you buy it. I like this one right here. If you trust anyone with your new phone, trust Tech 21. That's pretty cool. So it's neat. So here's the science behind it. There's 3 layers. So the first layer is flexible outer shell, which is cushion impact. So which is when you drop it, it's kind of help squish it. Your phone will not touch, or will not the impact will not impact your phone. So, and then Scala, no idea how to say that. Deflects force away from your phone. And then the third one is Flex Shock, a unique impact material combined with the patent rip construction absorbs remaining force. Yep. So it's pretty cool. I never test drop this because I'm not gonna do it anyway. But here we go. Let's open this up. So it comes this, and here's the inside, and so you just pull this out. You see how I pull this out. That's pretty cool design, pretty cool box. I like the box too, like make you want to buy it. There it is, like that. It's pretty neat. Got the grip design on the back. Pretty nice, really nice. So it's really thin, you know. And then I will use this. I will put on my phone, and then I have a leather holster case for my my belts. So that's how I use it. So, and when I use it, it feels good. It's not too bulky. It's not too big, and that's what I don't like about other cases. That it feels so bulky and very big, and I don't like it. So I like this, and I like something thinner. But I can also use it. Use it with my belt, with other holster and case and stuff like that. And then when you use it, just the case itself, then it feels like it's your phone too. It's part of your phone. It's not like something like really thick, you know. You put and you add like another 2 millimeter thick onto your phone and feel like it's really thick. It's not fun to use your phone. Anyway, I hope you enjoy it, and I guarantee this is a good phone case because I used it before on my S7. I'm gonna pull it out on my phone right here, put it with, and I'm gonna show you that it's a good phone. And here it is. Here we go. I use it for about 2 years now, and it's wearing out, but it's still very, very good, and it's flexible. It's really nice and good. I bought this on Best Buy, which is a little more expensive for my Galaxy S7, but it's a very nice case, and easy to use. It's fit your phone perfectly. So there you have it. It's what you call it, Tech 21 for your phone protection. Alright, so this is the cover that I was talking about earlier, and that I was gonna get my phone, and we're gonna try to fit it in there, see if it fit very well or not. So it's the Tech 21, and it has the 3 steps protection to help protect your phone from cracking when it drops. So it is actually fit perfectly on the phone, and it's easy to go in, but it's hard to go off, which is good, which is a sign that is a good sign. So see, let's do it again. See, it fit perfectly. It's easy, it's thin enough to hold it, which is a good case. So that's it. That's all I want to show. Thank you for watching. Just a little tip for today. For those who use the Samsung Galaxy S9. So this is the S9. Let me take out the case real quick. Yeah, it's hard to take out, but yes, for the S9. So for those who use the S9, and then to buy the tempered glass to put on to protect your screen, sometimes it's hard to press on the screen. The sensitivity was really bad, and so I just learned and figured out how to do it. You know, do some research and see what other people are doing. So I just want to give you a little tip for those who use Samsung Galaxy S9 to help you with your with the sensitivity. So what you need to do in order to turn on to adjust the sensitivity to help you press. See, like when I do this, it's not easy to do. It's hard to do anything, and even the what you call it, even with the slide bar right here to see the notification, it's still hard. So what you do is you go to setting. See, like even you have to press real hard, the setting and go to display, and then scroll up to all the way to where you see touch sensitivity. So, and then turn that on. That will help a lot. Will help the touch sensitivity. Now let's see how it goes. Now see how fast that it look. Watch, look at that. That's a lot faster than before, and it's easy to use too. So that's it. See, look at that. That's really fast. So there you go. That's a little tip for today.